Recurring processes piling up? Manually creating tickets for standardized tasks like maintenance activities, payroll, audits, or facilities checks can be slow and easy to overlook. That's where scheduled tickets and HappyFox Help Desk come in. Imagine your HR team needs to process payroll twice every month, on the 1st and 15th. Each payroll cycle requires creating a ticket with all the relevant details, assigning it to the right staff, and ensuring the process is followed. With scheduled tickets, we can automate this completely, so payroll tickets are created automatically at the right date and time. From the main menu, go to Automate, Scheduled Tickets, then click Create Scheduled Ticket. Next, we fill in the necessary details for this scheduled ticket: name, description, contact, frequency, recurrence, and time. We'll link it to a ticket template created for processing employee payroll. The template pre-fills all key fields: subject, message, category, priority, and CC, so the ticket is ready to go. Once all criteria are set, enabling the scheduled ticket makes it active. Payroll tickets will now be automatically created on the 1st and 15th of every month at 10 a.m. without any manual intervention. Scheduled tickets automate standardized processes, ensuring they run smoothly and reliably. No missed steps or delays. If you need more help, click on Support to chat, submit a ticket, or read our knowledge base articles. You can also visit our HappyFox University to continue watching more videos like this one.